Yo, 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 classes in session, energy crew. We're talking kinetic energy and potential energy too. Let's run it.
Kinetic on the go, yeah, that motion vibe. Potential on the low, stored energy inside. When you move, that's kinetic. When you wait, that's potential. Put it all together, energy's essential.
Kinetic on the go, watch me slide, watch me roll. Potential when I pause, cause the energy's on hold. Two types, one world, now you're part of the squad. Learning science with the bars, yo, we level up, applause. Yeah.
Kinetic energy is motion. Anytime you move, when a thing starts shifting, it gets into a groove. Flowing, going, straight up, zooming. Anything in motion, that's energy booming.
A skateboard rolling,
kinetic energy.
a soccer ball flying.
Kinetic energy.
You running in the halls, don't do that, but still kinetic. Cars on the road, rivers that flow, all kinetic. Energy on the go.
Speed plus mass makes the motion strong.
Move super fast and the energy is long.
Bigger the object, the more it can show. That's how kinetic energy starts to grow.
Potential energy is stored tight, just waiting for the moment when it takes flight. It's chilling, stilling, sitting in place, ready to pop off like a runner of the race.
A book on a shelf,
that's potential energy.
a stretched out slingshot,
that's potential energy.
you sitting at the top of a hill on a bike. All that stored power is about to strike.
The higher the object, the more it can store. Lift something up, and it's building even more. Hold it in place and the energy stays. Let it drop, and kinetic energy plays, yeah.
Kinetic is motion, always in action. Potential is waiting and stored up traction. One is the goal, one is the way. Energy changing, that's great.
A swing in the air, mid-movement, kinetic. At the top when it pauses, that's potential energy. Aesthetic, a roller coaster climbs, and the energy stacks. Then it drops, and kinetic energy snacks.
Kinetic on the go, yeah, that motion vibe.
Gumbo.
Potential on the low, stored energy inside. When you move, that's kinetic. When you wait, that's potential. Put it all together, energy's essential.
Kinetic on the go, watch me slide, watch me roll. Potential when I pause, cause the energy's on hold. Two types, one world, now you're part of the squad. Learning science with the bars, yo, we level up, applause.
Energy never disappears, it just switches lanes. From stored to moving energy, science in your veins. Now you know the vibe, now you know the key. Kinetic potential, remember energy.
Yeah,
Energy. Kinetic potential, remember energy.
Thanks for watching. Use code YT25 at supersimplesheets.com to get 25% off. Just for our YouTube viewers and only for a limited time. Browse our best-selling curriculum-aligned workbooks packed with hands-on activities and ready-to-go worksheets.